slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Aristo back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at an early look at these Jordan 6 Chrome Metallics. These are from YesKicks. If you're new to your channel and you like what you see, show your boy some love, drop a like, turn on notifications, subscribe, all of that. Follow me on Instagram, link is in the description as per usual. A little disclosure, I don't condone buying any of the stuff shown on the channel. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do mine, like I always say. With that out of the way, these took about 2-3 weeks to get here. Came double boxed, bubble wrapped, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, let's just get right into it. Here is the website information: YesKicks.cn, email, WeChat, and if you use the code RV stuff, save yourself $15 site wide. So remember to do that. Shoes themselves. Oh yeah, by the way, that code has to be on your first purchase. So if you want to use it more than once, it needs to be a new account every time. We'll put the shoes to the side here. Take a look at the box. Nothing crazy going on, you know. Got the chrome there. Jordan 6 Retro, black, metallic, silver, black. These are size 10. And yeah, that's basically it for this stuff. Inside the box itself, just got this paper, nothing else. No StockX stuff came with these this time around. So yeah, I mean, rest of it is pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. Shoes themselves, that's what y'all came here for. They're fire, I'm not gonna lie. I actually do like these. Nice, simple, clean, little touches of chrome all around, or the silver rather. And yeah, just well done shoe. Quality itself, I was looking them over and man, I really can't find anything wrong with them. I mean, the paint could be neater here and there, but that's something you see in retail shoes too. So not even gonna bother pinning that just because these are UAs. So yeah, but you know, all around pretty simple shoe, kind of styled like a black cat would be, minus the chrome / silver pieces. You got the icy bottom as well, so you can see there. Back of the shoe here, got the chrome pull tab, touch 2-3 underneath the Jumpman. That is not, I don't know why you guys can see it on camera, but that's not embroidered on the 2-3. That's just kind of stuck on there. Inside the shoe, nothing crazy. You got some loose threads here. You can always cut those bitches out and go about your day. Got that little lace lock with the silver Jumpman there. Silver Jumpman there, not embroidered. Again, stuck on kind of like that 2-3 was. But yeah, I don't know. Honestly, sounds embarrassing, but I low-key forgot where the oh, there's a size sticker here. Oh, okay, there. Oh man, I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see that though, but there's a size tag. Yep, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Bottom of the shoe, got that nice icy bottom on that hole with the gray Jumpman. That's basically it. There's the air bubble. Ignore my nasty fingernails right now because I just finished eating some buffalo wings, so those bitches is fucking died. But yeah, man, overall clean shoe. That's the right shoe. Left shoe, same thing. You already know what's going on with these. Yeah, simple shoe. You can kind of wear these with really anything, more or less. I don't really wear 6s anymore just because I don't know. I just kind of outgrew 6s. Like those were my first real retros back in the day. At the, I think they were Sport Blue 6s or whatever it was called. And I just got over those. Well, I beat the fuck out of them honestly until they were like shaven at the bottom. And I haven't really worn 6s since. I think I have a pair of infrareds that I never wear. And I think that's all. So yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts on these shoes in the comment section down below. Is it a cop? I think these dropped mid-November, November 12th, 13th, 14th, I don't know, something like that. So yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking about these. I think they're clean, to be honest. Clean shoe, not doing too much. Yeah, that's basically it though, guys. I'm gonna end it there. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts on these shoes in the comment section down below. If you fuck with the video, subscribe, show me love, you know, do all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll help you out there as much as I can. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Stay blessed, stay safe, guys, get that money, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.